I want to welcome you to the page here in our Virtual Wealth System training website. And on this page, I want to talk to you about money making activities or income producing activities. Money making activities are defined as what you physically actually do that generates you income. Income producing activities is what activity do you do to produce the income, to make the money, what it is that you do. And the purpose of this is that you don't spend too much time not doing the thing that's necessary to make you the money, to earn the serious income that builds you the wealth that earns the six figures. There's certain things you need to do consistently on a daily basis or as much time as you have based upon your life, your schedule, family, and all your priorities. There's certain activities that you want to do. The number one money making activity in actuality is the exact same thing that every company in our industry asks you to do as a network marketer or an internet marketer. It is market. It is market. Well, if you ever wonder, and then ask yourself what you should be doing to make money, market. So the number one income producing money making activity is to market, advertise your website. Over 80, 85, some say 90% of your time, at least 80. There's a rule in our industry called the 80-20 rule. 80% of your time marketing, advertising, promoting your website. Or in other words, introducing people to your program, introducing people to what it is you're promoting. So in our case, you are promoting the virtual wealth system. You want to introduce people to the virtual wealth system. So your money making activity is to introduce them virtual wealth. How do you do that? You introduce people to the virtual wealth system by marketing, advertising, promoting, posting your virtual wealth system website. That's the money making activity, where at least 80+% of your time should be posting your link. And whether that's on Facebook, introducing people to your website, or IBO Toolbox if you're using social media marketing method. There's training right over here on Facebook, training on how to effectively do that. Whether you're doing traffic exchanges, which you have some over here, safe list mailers, making sure every banner advertising site, every advertising portal, everywhere, anywhere, revenue share, ad, text ad site, solo ads, every place you want to be promoting your virtual wealth system website link. That is the money making activity. Another important money making activity or income producing activity, again, the action that you take to make you the money. Marketing, advertising your website. Another one is following up with your leads and your prospects or new members. Following up. That is a money making activity. So if you're using your lead capture pages and there is generating you leads, one of the things that you're going to want to do is to personally follow up. Yes, you have an autoresponder series and you can add more letters to your autoresponder series. And we have several members who've added a whole year plus worth of emails to their autoresponders, which is great. Okay, but those are automated system generated emails sent out. To take your follow-up to another level is to be more personal. So the one thing that is encouraged and taught to do is to personally contact and personally follow up, personally communicate, connect with, build rapport and relationships with your leads, with your team members. So follow-up is a money-making activity to help the people who've expressed an interest or curiosity in your program, your leads and prospects, and particularly those team members. So when you refer someone to Virtual Wealth System and they go to your website and join, you're going to get a notification, an email with their name and email address in that particular email. So you have a way to personally, they're double opted in, name and email address. So you can email, contact them personally. You want to personally reach out. Again, money-making activity, income-producing activity is to show support to your team members. It is to connect, communicate, build trust and rapport with the people on your team. That's a money-making, wealth-building, income-producing activity. So you definitely want to follow up with your leads and prospects, yes, but more importantly, and definitely you want to do that with your team members. because they're not a lead, they're a team member. They've joined the virtual wealth system. And oftentimes the individual needs a little bit of a nudge, a little bit motivation. And even though there's all the videos and we very active support and send audio emails when people respond, and we have our live team calls and all the things that we do as an organization, as a system, you yourself personally want to communicate with your team members, because that way the people you refer know they have a real person who cares about them, that's there to support them, to help them have success. That's so important. That's a money-making activity, because you're building people. You're helping that person. Whomever the person joins is a person. They have a family. They have dreams. They have things that they want, goals. So you want to help them to achieve that, to reach that, to make a difference in their lives. So again, the more you communicate, connect, build rapport, and you can use youcanreachyourdreams.com, our Facebook group. But money-making activity, income-producing activity, market, promote, and advertise your website at least 80% of the time. Another money-making activity is following up with your team members. Other activities, being active on the Facebook group and our team calls, and making sure you spend time in training. But the thing in training, and what I do, is, again, money-making activity, income-producing activity. Part of it, you want to increase your knowledge, increase your effectiveness, and you want training, you want to learn, you want to grow. So what I do is that I will come to, whether it be this website or any training that I'll do, if it's audio, visual, even if it's a video, I'll open it up in a window, I'll start the video. I don't always necessarily have to look at the video, so I'll minimize that video down and it still plays and I hear it while I'm in a traffic exchange just surfing for credits, getting credits for 50, 100, 200, 500 credits a day while I'm getting training at the same time, whether it be an audio training, a video training, a podcast, a conference call, a webinar that I'm listening to in a different window while I'm actually, following up with a lead or in a traffic exchange or putting out safe list mailers or whatever it is. I'm marketing, promoting, and advertising while at the same time getting training. Again, money-making activity. 80% of your time, market, promote, advertise, promote, refer, invite, introduce people to your virtual wealth system website, 80+% of the time. And then make sure you follow up with your team, connect and communicate. Use youcanreachyourdreams.com. Use your Facebook group. Send personal emails. Audio is even better. Man, you'll see over here, your voice pays 6 figures. Audio, BY Audio, a full 30-day free trial membership that you can start using your voice, because that double, triple, quadruples your effectiveness and your income. And income-producing activity is the use of power of your voice. So you definitely want to do that in your marketing, advertising, and particularly your follow-up efforts. If you ever have any questions, don't hesitate. I am always here to serve you. Again, Alonzo Brown, the founder of the Virtual Wealth System, your servant leader. You take care and have an awesome day, man.